Hi, I'm Spencer Deputy. We're here at Mountain West Utility Trailer. We're going to do a quick walk around on the Pro-R spec reefer. This one's equipped with a Thermo King S600. Of course, we can put any unit you need on it. As we start right here, it does have the stainless steel corners. It's got the tire inflation indicator light, document box here. All the lights down the side are going to be PC rated LED. What PC rated means is it's visible from a full 180 degrees. Coming down a little further, we do have stainless steel grody light under the bottom rail to keep that light safe. The suspension is an Ultra K air ride suspension. It does have anti-dock walk system on it. It does have tire inflation, Tire Max Pro. It also has the check ports, so you can check your tire pressure on these check ports at each position. We've got outside aluminum wheels on it. Coming around behind, got the stainless steel rear vent door, stainless steel diamond pattern, stainless steel cross braces. Also got 3 stop turns with stainless steel anti-theft rings. And oh yeah, up top, we've got the full function rear header, which means you've got blinkers and brake lights in that rear header. Coming inside, kick plates on the inside of the rear door. Got the 16-inch aluminum wear band. And oh yeah, we got recessed, fully recessed, 2-row Z-Track full length. If you have any questions about these trailers, reach out to us at Mountain West Utility Trailer, mwutility.com.